Hello, good morning dear students, greetings of the day. So in this present revision part number 3, standard 7, chapter 2, India climate and natural resources. This is the third part, the third revision offline video. So in this revision lecture, we are going to discuss about minerals, the definition, some of the important main points that I have given you during the last session in the live class. Second point will be uses of minerals, and the third point will be forests as a land resources. And I am going to include the types of the forest, some of the important types, which kind of the forest are there, the location, so that we are going to revise in this revision video number 3. First topic, minerals. What are minerals? So biotic and abiotic minerals that get trapped under the earth transform into chemical materials. So in the deep surface of the earth, there are different materials are there, and because of the intensive heat, because of the pressure, and because of the chemical reaction, they transform into one material, and this material is known as mineral. So that we have discussed that minerals are also backbone of country's economy. Minerals are impure, and that's why they are known as ores that we have completed, and they play a very important role in the prosperity of country, and hence to the people of that particular country of our nation India. So that we have discussed, there are mainly 3 types of the minerals. First one is metallic mineral that I am going to classify here. Metallic. Afterward, the second one is non-metallic. And the third one is power generating minerals. Power generating minerals. Which are they? So I am going to classify. So in live class that I have shown you, and you have watched that video, and you have classified which are the metallic, which are the non-metallic, and which are the power generating minerals are available in our earth, in our planet, especially in India. So first one, yes students, metallic, then I am going to give you the examples of the metallic minerals. Which are the metallic minerals? In 1 mark and 2 marks, the question will be there. Such question would be asked by the teacher. So iron, copper, gold, mercury. Iron, copper, gold, mercury, etc. These are just the examples, but there are others metallic examples are that we have shown, that I have give you that video. Okay. Second one is non-metallic, that does not have the shine of metal, and it is known as non-metallic. Non-metallic, diamond, gypsum, lime, and potash. Diamond, gypsum, potash, and one more thing is lime. And we have discussed that gypsum is used to making the cements, diamond, potash, and lime is to know in Gujarati. Okay. Third one is power generating. From that mineral, we are generating the power, we are generating the energy, especially and electricity. So which are the example that I am going to include? And first one is coal, natural gas, coal, natural gas, petroleum, as well as petroleum jelly, mineral oil, uranium, that is the one of the best example of power generating mineral. So these are the main three types of the minerals. First one is metallic. They have the shine, the part of the metal. Non-metallic, they does not have the shine of metal. And power generating, from which we are generating the energy and especially and electricity. Now we are going to move further. Okay, from which states we found the different types of metallic, non-metallic and power generating minerals in India. So we are going to classify state wise. We are going to classify from which state, which are the proper locations that we found this kind of materials, this kind of minerals. Okay, first one, very important: coal, manganese, copper, bauxite, mica, lead, limestone, gold, natural and petroleum gas. So these are the minerals, but we are going to focus on the main minerals. Yes, first one that I am going to write down is coal. From which state? State like Andhra Pradesh, Bihar, Chhattisgarh, Andhra Pradesh, Bihar, Chhattisgarh, Andhra Pradesh, Bihar, Chhattisgarh, Goa, Gujarat, Jharkhand, Goa, Gujarat, Jharkhand, गोवा, गुजरात, झारखंड, कर्नाटका, मध्य प्रदेश, महाराष्ट्र, ओडिशा, तमिलनाडु, These are the main states. From this state we found the coal. Second one, dear students, is copper. Okay, from which state? State like Andhra Pradesh, Gujarat, Maharashtra, Andhra Pradesh, Gujarat, Maharashtra, Andhra Pradesh, Gujarat, Maharashtra, as well as Karnataka, Meghalaya, Sikkim, Karnataka, Meghalaya, Sikkim. So these are the main states from which we found the copper mineral, copper. Third one is bauxite. Just note it down here, student. Bauxite from which state? Chhattisgarh, Gujarat, Jharkhand. Chhattisgarh, Gujarat, Jharkhand. Chhattisgarh, Gujarat, Jharkhand. Then Maharashtra, Orissa. Maharashtra and Orissa. OR. Next one is mica. Mica. मिका, बिहार, झारखंड, राजस्थान, बिहार, झारखंड, राजस्थान, RJ, Rajasthan. Sometimes I am going to use the short form, so it will help you to remember such kind of state names very easily. Okay. Now another one is gold. You have to classify metallic, which are the metallic, which are the non-metallic, and which are the power generating. Gold. Only this is very precious minerals. So it is not found in everywhere. So it is found in India only two places, only two states, Andhra Pradesh and Karnataka. Andhra Pradesh and Karnataka. Have you seen that movie KGF, South Indian movie, the Kolar Gold Mineral? Okay, KGF, Kolar Gold Factory, Kolar KGF, and in that movie they show, and you have watched the gold mines. So it is situated in Andhra Pradesh. That was the based on the true story. Next one is petroleum and natural gas. Petroleum and natural gas. Petroleum and natural gas. So, Andaman Nicobar, Andhra Pradesh, Assam, Gujarat, Maharashtra, Assam, Gujarat, Maharashtra, Rashtra. These are the main states from which we found petroleum and natural gases. And other two states are Andhra Pradesh and Andaman Nicobar. Andhra Pradesh and Andaman Nicobar. In Gujarat, suppose I would ask the question. In Gujarat, where did we find petroleum and natural gas? So it is very near Khambhat, only 20 kilometers from Khambhat. Okay, we found the petroleum and natural gas, and there is one factory, and it is known as Oil and Natural Gas Commission (ONGC), where they extract the ores and they dispute it. Okay, they classify, they identify, they extract the different minerals from their ores. They take out the gases, petrols, coal, etc. Dear students, so these are the main minerals of India, and from which state we found coal? Andhra Pradesh, Bihar, Chhattisgarh, Goa, Gujarat, Jharkhand, Orissa, Tamil Nadu. Second one is copper, Andhra Pradesh, Gujarat, Maharashtra, Karnataka, Meghalaya, Sikkim. Bauxite. It is the ores of aluminium. Aluminium is made from the bauxite, students. So please do remember Chhattisgarh, Gujarat, Jharkhand, Maharashtra and Orissa. Mica, Bihar, Jharkhand, Rajasthan. Gold, only two states that we have found the gold. They have the gold mines, only Andhra Pradesh and Karnataka. Petroleum and natural gases we found from Assam, Gujarat, Maharashtra, as well as in Andhra Pradesh and some of the part of Andaman and Nicobar. And apart from that, another minerals are there like lead, limestone, thorium and uranium, manganese, minerals are found from the different states of India, but these are the main and very important minerals. Suppose such kind of question would be asked by the teacher in your upcoming division test, upcoming unit test. Okay, so please do remember, make the proper note of all these important topics, so it will help you, dear students, to find out, to create your own notes. Yes, so it will help you out. Now we are going to discuss about the uses of minerals, how we are using in our daily life. Just remind yourself what we have discussed in the live classes. Last live classes we have discussed about the uses of different minerals. Please do remember all these things once again. Where we are using copper, where we are using gold, limestone, gypsum, other minerals like natural and petroleum gases, power generating, where we are using. So I am going to focus, we are going to revise, okay, once again. So first one is manganese, okay, the uses. Manganese. So manganese is used in chemical industries, pesticides, glasses, chemical industries, pesticides, in glass factories, as well as it is used to varnish and printing industries. Varnish and printing industry. Second one is copper, very useful. Copper. So it is used in electric wire vessels. It is used to make electric wire vessels, as well as it is used in colored glass points, and as well as it is also used in printing industry. Third one is bauxite. Third one is bauxite. Bauxite is used in electric materials, colors, aeroplanes, purification of kerosene and manufacturing cement. As well as it is used to make electric materials, It is also used in colors, aeroplanes, It is very lightweight, okay? Aluminium, and it is the ores of aluminium. Next one is mica. Mica is used as a material in making radio, telephone, It is also used in aeroplane, gramophone and soundproof curtains. curtains. Soundproof curtains. Yes. Last one is fluorspar. Fluorspar, it is used to make melting industries, plastic industry, melting plastic industry as well as it is used to make hydraulic acid and hydrochloric acid and making articles from China clay. Hydrochloric acid, and also it is used to make the China clay. So these are the main: manganese, copper, oxide, mica, fluorspar, and these are the other power generating that we are using. Natural gases to cook food, petroleum gas, coal it is used mainly in the industry to generate the power. Lime, it is also used. Gypsum, it is used to make the cement. Diamond, gold, gold to make ornaments. Different things we are using these minerals in our daily regular life. Yes. Another point that I am going to discuss with you right now is about the forest. Some parts that I am going to discuss with you about the forest. What is the forest? Which are the types of forest that India has? Yes, students, forest. You know lots of things about the forest, but in this division class, we are going to classify it in proper way. We are going to classify it. Okay? Forest and land resources. So mountain, trees, forest, fertile plains, etc. all together from the land resources. In land resources that we are going to include forest. Okay? Mountain, trees, forest, plain, plateaus all together make land resources that are occurs on the land, on the mountains, on the forest, on the plains. Okay, and the first that we are going to discuss about forest. So a large area covered chiefly with many trees and undergrowth is known as forest. You have visited lots of time, my dear students. You have watched the beautiful pics, images, and you have also clicked. And the forest, the one thing I want to tell you, forest always give you positive regards to you. They always fill your mind. They always energize you. Whenever you are visiting, when you are watching some of the natural scenes from the forest, your mind, you renew your mind, you gain the energy from the forest. They have the positive aspects. So the definition is a large area covered with trees, chiefly with many trees. Okay, large area covered with chiefly with many trees and undergrowth known as forest. Large area. Okay, I have visited during the Diwali vacation about in the forest of Didiapar, some of the part of Rajpipla. I have visited. So around 20 to 25 kilometers simultaneously, continuously. The forest, deep forest, and it also very dangerous sometimes. The roads, the atmosphere, the weather, the temperature is very comfortable, and it is very simple to understand it, this topic. So India has varied physiography and climate, hence India has the different type of forest. So in last semester we have discussed about the physiography. Okay, and because of the variation, because of the different type of the physiography in all around the area, so that's why we have the different types of the forest, because of the variety has been seen in the physiography. India ranks 10th in the world in the terms of variety of vegetation. So this is the definition of forest. Now, in the fourth part of the revision, we are going to revise some of the part of the forest sanctuaries, wildlife sanctuary, bird sanctuary, that is remaining. So that we are going to discuss, revise in next revision class. So dear students, I am going to conclude it. So we have discussed about minerals, uses of minerals, from which state we found the different kind of minerals, what are the uses of the minerals, and we have also discussed the definition of forest. But deeply we are going to focus about this topic about forest in our next revision class. Yes students, if you have any doubt, any queries, any kind of problem that you are facing regarding to this chapter, just call me or message me. So I will try my best to solve your problem as soon as possible. Thank you so much. Looking forward to see you or meet you on live class. Thank you so much. Have a nice day. God bless you all.